subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Vivo sub-brand iQoo has launched two new smartphones in China called iQoo 5 and iQoo 5 Pro. Both the iQoo 5 and iQoo 5 Pro look similar but are different in terms of specifications. And among these two, the iQoo 5 Pro is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the iQoo 5 Pro features a 6.56-inch Full HD Plus Curve AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports HDR10+ and it has a 19.8:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset paired with Adreno 650 GPU. The device packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the iQoo 5 Pro supports a unique triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50MP main camera with f1.85 aperture plus 13MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view and a 8MP periscope lens with up to 60x super zoom support. The rear cameras are capable of recording 8K videos and it also supports OIS for anti-shake video recording. At the front, it has 16MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.45 aperture. For gaming, the company has added multi-turbo 4.0 technology and it also comes with VC liquid cooling system that helps to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with iQoo UI skin on top. The device comes equipped by 4000 mAh battery with 120W super flash charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.56 by 73.30 by 9.53mm and it weighs around 196.7 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The iQoo 5 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 4,998 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 5,498 Chinese yuan. The pre-sale for the smartphone will begin in the country starting from August 24th in track version and legendary edition. So, what do you guys think of this iQoo 5 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.